Hello, my name is Marcus from Super Kilometer Filter, and I'm here to guide you through the process of installing the kilometer stopper on your BYD. The module comes with a tiny blind plug that can be used instead of the cable to quickly remove the device without having to disassemble anything. This makes it much easier to remove the device if needed. Here we have a power supply plus, a device connector, a pin on the purple cable, and a pin on the orange cable, as well as a minus. To install the device, we will need a pin tool, a 10mm wrench, a lamp, and a plastic wedge. First, we need to remove the plastic screws in the glove compartment, along with the hinge. Then pull the bonnet button twice and open the hood. Use the 10mm wrench to remove the battery terminal. Now remove this plug. Open it by removing its part. Lift the cover a bit then. Now we need to use the pin tool to remove the pink and purple pins. Insert the pin tool in the hole opposite the pink cable and pull the cable out. Take the device and connect the orange pin. Use the pin tool again to remove the purple pin and replace it with the device's purple pin. Close the plug and take the empty connector, placing the pins we have now in it as shown. Connect it following the arrows and reassemble the connector. Then put it back in its place. Take the plus and connect it there. Take the minus and connect it. Plug the device and place it inside. Go to the hood and reconnect the car battery using a wrench to screw it in place. I hope this helps you successfully install the kilometer stopper on your BYD.